Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products. Today we're going to be comparing two air fryers from the well-known brand Ninja. We have the Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. In this video, we'll be comparing these air fryers in different categories and helping you decide which one is right for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. If you're looking for a larger air fryer to cook for the entire family, the DZ401 Foodi is definitely the winner here. With its family-sized 10 quarts, capacity and 2 baskets, you can whip up a main and a side dish at the same time or cook up to 8 lbs of chicken wings with ease. On the other hand, the AF161 Max XL has a 5.5 QT ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate which can fit 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. Both air fryers offer a variety of cooking programs, but the DZ401 Foodi has one extra program, the roast function. So if you're someone who enjoys roasting, this could be a deciding factor for you. The AF161 Max XL has 7 versatile programs in total: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, while the DZ401 Foodi has 6 cooking programs: Air Fry, Air Broil, Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. The DZ401 Foodi features DualZone technology, which allows you to cook 2 foods, 2 ways at the same time in 2 separate baskets. This eliminates the need for back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Plus, it has a smart finish feature that unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the match cook feature, which easily copies settings across zones for full 10 QT capacity meals. The AF161 Max XL does not have this feature. Both air fryers do a great job at reducing the amount of fat compared to traditional frying methods, but the AF161 Max XL has been tested to have up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. The DZ401 Foodi has also been tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, but the percentage of fat reduction is not mentioned. When it comes to cleaning, both air fryers are relatively easy to clean. The AF161 Max XL has a ceramic basket that is non-stick and dishwasher safe. The DZ401 Foodi has easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. The AF161 Max XL is priced at $149, while the DZ401 Foodi is priced at $199. While the DZ401 Foodi has some additional features, the price difference is something to consider when deciding which air fryer to choose. And that's a wrap. We hope this comparison video helped you decide which air fryer is right for you. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which air fryer you would choose and why. Also, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews. See you in the next one.